Namaskar friends, welcome back to your channel Simplify Your Space. In today's video, I will be sharing some very useful space-saving kitchen organization ideas and hacks. These ideas can be helpful to maximize your kitchen space. Let's get started. If you store water bottles in the cabinet, accessibility can be difficult at times, especially if you're using upper shelf for storage. To simplify the bottle storage, you can use this cane wine bottle holder. It is flexible and can be placed easily in any cabinet. Now stack all the water bottles and sippy cups in this. It makes it easy to choose and access. Additionally, there is still space left on the side. If you're short on space in the crockery cabinet, you can use shelf rack to use the vertical space. But even after placing the rack, sometimes you still have some empty vertical space left where another rack can't be fixed. Use this type of over-the-shelf cup holder and place all the cups in this. This way you can utilize vertical space efficiently and can accommodate more items. This cup holder can be used outside the cabinet as well to organize your serving spoons and ladles. If you love baking, then you must be having different types of baking trays. Due to their different shapes and sizes, it can be difficult to organize them. Use a plate rack or lid holder to stack all the trays. This IKEA lid holder is flexible and can accommodate different sizes and shapes of trays easily. Now the drawer looks neat and organized. Same way, these kind of big wooden trays with broad edges are difficult to organize due to their bulky appearance. Keeping them simply on one another makes it difficult when you need a specific tray from the bottom. They also don't fit in any plate rack. To organize them, you can use this type of pots and pans holder. These racks have more space to fit in big pots and pans, and they also come with good back support to hold heavy items. Choose a deep cabinet or drawer and keep the rack horizontally. Now stack all the trays. Accessing them will become so easy. These type of small packets of spices are usually difficult to find and access from the storage, especially if a lot of big packets are kept in the same storage basket. To keep them handy, take all the small packets and clip them with the binder clip. If you have a thin basket, you can clip them here like this for better visibility and easy access. Or just hang them on the cabinet side wall with the help of command hook. Glass containers are usually heavy and fragile. We need to be always careful while handling them in the kitchen, especially the big ones. The best way I have found out is to store them in the drawer. They look nice and I just open the lid and take out the stuff using scooper without picking up the container. But yes, it may not be suitable for people who do not have these kind of drawers. These lids take up a lot of space and are difficult to organize in the cabinet or drawer. To organize them in less space, you can use this kind of self-adhesive towel holder and stick it on the front wall of the drawer. Now you can place your lids in this and access them comfortably. This way you also get more storage space. Alternatively, if you have space, you can place the towel holder in the kitchen wall as well and use it as a lid holder. Again, due to limited space, we often use counter space to organize our oil dispensers, which again limit the working space for us. To maximize the space, use this very sturdy over-the-door caddy in one of your bottom cabinets. And now place all the oil dispensers in this. Accessing oil dispensers while cooking will become so easy. In these kind of deep spaces, lot of vertical space get wasted due to different sizes of containers. So to utilize some vertical space, you can use this kind of thin basket. Make sure it has holes in this. According to the size of the basket, fix 2 wire hooks on the side wall and now hang this basket on it. This can be used to store tea, coffee and milk sachets or any type of sachets and pouches, candies, etc. Similarly, you can use this type of small hanging basket to store small items and sachets. Last but not the least is trash bag storage. Every time you need a garbage bag, you need to hold the whole bundle and tear one bag. When opened, these bundles look cluttered in the cabinet. Simple hack is keeping the bundles in this kind of basket with handles on the side. Put all the bundles in this and the open bundle should be on the top. Pull one bag from the bundles through this handle if you use 2 different sizes of bags. Now just keep the basket in the cabinet. That's it. Now whenever you need a bag, you can easily pull one bag and remove. Simple. This way bundles stay intact, look organized, and accessing a trash bag becomes so easy. That was all about this video. Hope you like these kitchen organization ideas. Thank you for watching this video. Please give a thumbs up and share this video with your family and friends. Do subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook for all the latest updates and video notifications. We'll see you all next Saturday. Happy organizing from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.